Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to file divorce papers yourself in Texas. Begin by confirming residency and grounds, then collect your marriage certificate, financial records, and asset lists. Choose between contested or uncontested filing and prepare Form Original Petition for divorce carefully. File at the county clerk, pay the fee or request a waiver, and arrange for service of process. Track timelines and the 60-day waiting period while preparing for final hearing. Start by filling out the original petition for divorce with precise names, addresses, and relief requested. Draft a clear parenting plan that covers custody, visitation, and child support calculations if children are involved. Attach an inventory of assets, debts, pay stubs, and tax returns to support your claims. Double-check all signatures and dates, make copies, and prepare any affidavits or exhibits you may need for hearings or negotiations. Take your completed petition, copies, and fee to the county clerk to officially file your case and receive a file-stamped copy. Arrange lawful service of process to the other spouse through a constable, sheriff, or certified process server, and file the return of service. If the other party fails to reply in time, pursue a default judgment or request a hearing date. Stay organized with deadlines and follow local court procedures to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.